Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Well, as we are heading across Route 66, we made a stop here in Kingman, Arizona, and we're staying at the Sunrise RV Park right here in Kingman. We want to take you around and show you this park. It's a 46 site park, so it's a smaller park, but great location, super clean, and right off Interstate 40 and right on old historic Route 66.
So come along.
Now we are heading eastbound on Interstate 40, just coming into Kingman. We want to start off and show you the map of the park, and that's all it is. It's a very small park, 46 sites, but what it lacks in size, and it does fill up just about every single night.
It does.
It makes up for in a lot of other ways. So we're coming upon exit 53, which is also Andy Devine, and it's also old Route 66.
This doesn't get any more convenient.
No, it's and any direction you want to go. If you want to hit 66 or if you want to hit the interstate, you're right there. And as you come off the interstate, you'll see a sign in the air over there on the right. And that's it, Sunrise RV Park. So you know you're at the right place. And when you're coming eastbound, as soon as you come down here to the end of the exit ramp, and again, that's Andy Devine or Old Route 66, we're going to make a right, almost like we're making a U-turn. And we're going to make an immediate right there onto Bruce Street.
Fair warning, when we came through, it wasn't well maintained.
Yeah, especially the closer you get to the park entrance, there are a lot of potholes, so just take it a little bit easy on this stretch, but it is short. There you can see the road.
And the park itself is wonderful.
Yeah, the park has all brand new concrete roads. And you can tell they maintain the park. When we show you the office building here, they're putting all new roof on it right as we're filming this. So a nice little cowboy statue there as you first come in. And this is the office building. And this is where you're going to find the bulk of the amenities of the park. It's got a nice little pergola covered seating area, which is nice because it's right outside of the laundry.
That's right.
So you've got a nice place to wait on the laundry. It has 4 dryers and 4 washers. They are all done by quarters, and if you need quarters, they're available in the office. In the front, you'll see these 4 doors. Those are all private bathrooms. The very first one is handicapped accessible, and the code for it's only given to those who need a handicapped accessible shower, which I like.
That's only fair.
This is one of the regular ones, and it's still huge. The shower's enormous in it. The bathrooms are small, but the shower's big. They're more than adequate.
Yeah.
And it's kind of nice, everything behind one door. And then this is inside the office. It's a little space there, as well as the counter where you will check in.
It really is pretty.
Mm-hmm. It does have these trees throughout, but they're all trimmed up. We didn't hit a single one of them on the way through, which for me is always a big plus.
That's right.
There are 3 roads going front to back in the park. This first one has back-end sites on both sides. The middle road, which we're coming up to here, has back-end sites on the left and the fronts of the pull-through sites on the right. We're going to come around the curve here, and these are the backs of the back end sites. Again, you can see the trees are trimmed up way above the coaches. We were right here, and in all fairness, it was raining when we got here, so we pulled in way forward, so we had room just to leave the car hooked up until the weather cleared. You've got your picnic table, which converts to a bench right there on a little concrete pad. Everything's gravel. Sites are all completely level. We still had room in front, but I made that statement to you earlier because it took me 35 feet of sewer hose to get back to the sewer connection. Had I hung to the back like most people do, I would have been fine in 15 or 20 foot. You do have 30 amp on the main box, 50 amp on the side of the box. The water comes directly out of the ground for freeze protection, and nice threaded sewer. Well, Kathy, what did you think about our stay here at Sunrise RV Park?
This has been really great. It's been close to all of the little places that we wanted to be able to see, and it's also got a lot of great shopping around.
Yeah, it's got, you name it, Kingman has it. It's a great town, let alone the way they've embraced their Route 66 heritage.
That's
on
right.
Top of everything else. But the park itself, nicely paved streets. It's 3 rows across. He intentionally, since we're going to be here for a week, put us in the furthest road away from the highway. However, those are all pull-throughs, and we've had a lot of people come and go on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So it empties out during the day, and it fills completely back up at night. Definitely make a reservation.
That's right.
So with that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, watch for the button up here at the end of the video. If you tap that button, you can ring the notification bell. You'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.